In the previous class, we have studied the exercise problems on relation, right? In this class, we are going to see the new concept, that is types of functions. Types of functions. In our first year concept in functions, you have studied constant, identity, rational, polynomial, signum, modulus, greatest integer, along with the graph, right? In this year, you are going to study the types of functions. In types of functions, mainly we see three types. First one is one-one function, many-one function, and then onto function. Okay, I will give you brief information about that. First one is one-one function. One-one function. For one-one function, we also call it as injective. Okay, for one-one function, we also call it as injective. Injective function. Okay, see here, in one-one function, suppose if I have taken a function here from A to B, okay, function f from A to B. In A, I will take some elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. In B also, I will take some elements, A, B, C, D. Okay. In one function, I have taken two sets, right, A and B. Here, all the elements of set A should have some different or unique image in set B. Okay, means like A is related to B here, and B is related to A, 3 related to C, and 4 related to D. See here, all the elements of A has some different image here. Okay, see, 1 is related to B, 2 to A, 3 to C, and 4 to D. It has some unique or different image in set B. This is one-one function. But in many-one function, see, many-one function, in many-one function, you will see a function from A to B more than one element having the same image. For example, see here, 1 is related to A and 2 is also related to A here. C and 4 to C. Okay, see here, more than one element having the same image. Further, we call it as many-one function. Or you can also see here like, I will write one more. It is 5. Okay, 5 is also related to A. See, in one-one function, one element related to only one image. Okay, one element related to one image here. But in many-one function, more than one element having same image. See here 1, 2 and 5 are related to same image, that is A. That is many-one function. But here one element related to one image, that is one-one function. More than one element having the same image, that is called many-one function. Okay. Then next we see onto function. For onto function, For onto function, we also call it as surjective function. Okay, surjective. Onto is a function here from A to B means 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, I will take. Okay. In onto function, this is what? Domain, right? And this is range also is there and codomain. For example, I will give you suppose 1 is related to A and C, 3 is D, and 4 is D. Okay. This is domain, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 are domain. And what about range? A, B, C, D are range. In case here E is also there, means the whole set B we call it as codomain, and the elements A, B, C, D are range in this set, right? Here you see in onto all the elements of codomain. Okay, all the elements of second set B should related should some least one pre-image in set A. Okay, I will write you one more. F function F not pre-image. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. This on that. Okay. A is related to 1 like that. Okay, and B to C and C to D. In on range should be equal to codomain. Okay, this is onto function. And now each element of codomain has at least one pre-image in set A. For that we call it as onto function. And one more thing in onto function, no element of codomain, no element of this should remain in the set. For example, if I have written E, but E is not related to any set here. Okay, so E is not related to any element here. This is not an onto function. Okay, if all the elements of codomain have at least one pre-image, okay, all the elements should be related to some image, some pre-image in set A. For that we call it as onto function. Okay, and in onto function range should be equal to codomain. Range should be equal to codomain. See here, this is range and codomain. Range should be equal to codomain. This is onto function. Okay, in onto function no element should be left in the codomain. All the elements should be related to set A, or all the element of codomain have at least one pre-image in domain. Okay, this is our onto function. Now we are going to see this one and onto many-one function with the definition and examples. Okay, see the definition of one-one function. I told you for one-one function we also call it as injective function, right? See, a function f from x to y is defined to be 1, 1 if images of distinct element of x under f are distinct. Here distinct means nothing but different or unique image. I told you each element of here x1, okay, each element of x1 has some unique or different image in x2. See here, one is related to A, no other element is related to A here, right? So 1 is related to A and 2 is related to B, 3 is related to D and 4 is related to C. Each element of set A has a different or unique image in x2. Okay, this is one-one function. For every x1, x2 belongs to x. For one-one function, the condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It implies we have to get x1 is equal to x2. Okay, otherwise if one element is related to one image only, okay, that is one. Otherwise it is what many-one function means. Two elements, see here 1 and 2 is related to same image. That is what many-one function here. In one-one function one element related to only one image here. But see here 1 and 2 is related to same image, that is A, right? So this is one-one function, one element is related to one image, and here more than one element related to same image means that is what many-one function. For example, for one-one function you see f1 and f4. Here all the elements are some different or unique image. Okay, see this is I told you, and here also one related to B, 2 related to C, 3 related to A and 4 related to D. Here f1 and f4 are example for one-one function, and for many-one function you see f3 and f2. Here also 1 and 2 is related to B here. Okay, so f2 and f3 are many-one function here. I will give you an example here for one-one function. The condition what I told you, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. In result, we have to get x1 is equal to x2 in one-one function. Okay, for example, I will take f of x is equal to 4x plus 2. Okay, I will take. Now what we have to do, in place of x, I am putting x1. Okay, so 4x1 plus 2. For f of x2, what you will get, 4x2 plus. Now substitute this f of x1 and f of x2 in place of f of x1 and f of x2. Okay, For f of x2, 4x2 plus 2 okay. Here 4 get cancelled and 2 also get cancelled. The remaining term is x1 is equal to x2. This is what f is 1 function, or you can also call injective. F is injective or f is 1 function. In condition we have taken f of x1 is equal to f of x2. In resultant we have taken x1 is equal to x2. In case x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 means this is not 1 function here. Here x1 is equal to x2 only positive, okay, or x is equal to y like that, okay. Here no, if positive and negative means this is not 1 function because 1 is equal to 1, right? 1 is not equal to minus 1. So x1 is equal to x2 here. This is our 1 function, okay. Now next we are going to see onto function. The next is onto function. For onto function we also call it as what? Surjective function, right? The definition of onto function is a function f from x to y is said to be onto if every element of y means codomain, right? Every element of y is the image of some element of x. Every element of y is the image of some element of x under f. That is, every y belongs to y. Here there exists an element x in x such that f of x is equal to y. I already told you in onto function. See here, all the elements of x2, suppose all the elements of here you will take all the elements of x3 has some pre-image in x1, okay. No element should be left in x3. So all the elements have at least one pre-image in x1. For that we call it as onto, and no element should be left in the codomain, okay. And each codomain, all the elements should have at least one pre-image in domain. This is our onto function. And one more thing, and if a function f from, or you can also call it as function f from x to y is said to be onto if range is equal to the codomain, okay. If range equal to codomain, I told you already, right? Range is equal to codomain. See here, because here the range is what? ABCD is range, but codomain is the whole second set, that is ABCDEF, right? ABCD is the range and ABCDEF whole set is called codomain. But see here, range is ABC and codomain is also ABC, means range is equal to codomain. All the elements of codomain should be related to some pre-imaging domain, okay. This is our onto function. No element should be left in the codomain, okay. For onto function the condition is f of x is equal to y here. I will give you one example. F of x is equal to y. I will give you f of x means 3x plus 4, okay. I have taken f of x is equal to what? Y. So y is equal to 3x plus 4, or you can also write f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. I will write here, and then f of x means y, right? Y is equal to 3x plus 4. Now we have to find the value of x here. So that is y minus 4 is equal to 3x. The value of x is what then? The value of x is y minus 4 by 3 here, okay. We have get the value of x. Now substitute this value in f of x. F of x means what? Y, right? F of x is equal to 3. X is there. In place of x you put y minus 4 by 3 plus 4 is there, plus 4. 3 get cancelled, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, remains f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is what? Onto. F is onto. For onto you also call it as surjective. In f of x the condition should be in onto function the condition should be f of x is equal to y. Okay, and now all the elements of codomain has at least one pre-imaging domain and no element should be left in codomain. This is the onto function, and example for onto function is, see here, f3 no element is left, right? f3 and f4, see here all the elements is related and no elements is left in second set, right? Codomain. These two f3 and f4 are example for onto function. Next we see bijective function. Bijective function. Bijective function. Bijective function means a function f from x to y is said to be bijective if both 1 1 and onto conditions satisfy. F from x to y is said to be bijective. Said to be bijective if it satisfies both 1 1 and onto. See here, the function f from x to y is said to be bijective if it satisfies both 1 1 and onto. For that we call it as bijective function. For 1 1 means what? Here each element of A is related to each element of A has some different or unique image inside B. One element has only one image. For that is 1 1 function. And onto, each element of B should have some pre-image, right? And no element should be left. So for that both 1 1 and onto condition satisfied means that is bijective. For example for bijective function, because see here each element of x1 is have some different image in x4, right? So 1 related to B, 2 related to C, 3 related to A and 4 related to D. This is 1 1 function. And for onto function, see here no element should be left in codomain and all the element of codomain has some pre-image in domain. So f4 is example for bijective function. Okay, in this class we have studied the types of functions, in that 1 1 function, many one function and onto function, and lastly we have studied the bijective function. In the next class we are going to solve some more problems on. Okay, thank you.